What is those? What are those? Who left those for you? Who left you those presents? Do you know who left those presents under your little tree? Who are those from? Huh, baby? Who are they from?
Mom, I got a bear. I got a green bear. Like, really?
Yeah, where are they from? Who gave that to you? Anthony, who gave that to you?
I don't know.
Who left it under your tree for you? Santa. He's silly.
Santa. Yeah, Santa. Whoa. This is Santa present. This is Santa present.
So cute.
It's my present. What's that?
Santa wrap's good, huh?
Yeah. Whoa! Look!
Candy. Oh.
Need to go pee-pee.
Okay.